traffic, Cessna for Prime November Quebec is lining up, runway 23, Maitland.
Yep, camera, altitude, good, and action, everything's set for takeoff, good.
Maitland traffic, Cessna for Prime November Quebec is rolling, runway 23, Maitland. All full power. Air speeds arrive. P's and P's are green.
Good.
Undercarriage, flaps, switches, instruments, temperature presses.
Good. It's lovely this time of morning.
Right, center, left. Safe, stop traffic, safe. Safe. Technically is flashing from eastern apron for downwind departure, runway 35, Cessna. Spikes, undercarriage, mixture, fuel, training air, climb, patches and harnesses.
All secure, sir.
Pressure, power back, RB heat, good. Not going to forget that today. Power the nose up. First stage of flat. Maitland traffic, Cessna Prime November Quebec is turning base, runway 23, touch and go, Maitland. Right, center and left. Cessna traffic, X4 Mexico, crossing pressure point 17.
Good. That's it, good, lower the nose, good.
Oh, that's alright. Set up.
Push the stick forward even more if you're a little high, that's it.
I just didn't want to be low today.
Try and be as perfect as you can on a normal one anyway.
Yeah, fair enough. Last stage, carby heat, undercarriage, prop stabilised. 70 knots, whoa, whoa, whoa. Let's get 70.
That's it, good.
That's looking better a bit.
That's good now, yeah, good. Now be patient. Don't pump the controls like you can.
A bit more rudder then. More right rudder. I've got to hold off the nose a little longer.
You do, yeah. You start pumping, man. You go up, you think, oh, too much, and you push forward. If it's too much, stop, don't move anymore. Yep. That's why the landing was a little flat there as well.
And I think I was trying to get set up at too high, so I was trying to get that right, but I didn't have any time to...
Usually that's the case. If the approach is messy, the landing will be messy.
On the carriage, switches, instruments, temperature, pressures. Right, center left.
Okay, if you had an engine failure now, what would you do?
Well, I'm under rapid to the paddock. Over there.
Okay, good. It does have to be a pretty quick decision. Yeah.
Is that where you go?
Yeah.
Half hour that start?
I would, yeah. Definitely.
That could be hard, but you'd have to try, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
The road?
The train line there, you mean?
I wouldn't go for that. I'm going way off this surf, but I'm on. I want to turn there.
Okay.
That was a good distraction that I needed. I need stuff like that to, yeah. Brakes, undercarriage, mixed fuel, instrument.
Traffic, Cessna, Romeo, November. X-ray is taxiing to runway 23, Maitland traffic.
So you remember the glide speed for this airplane?
Good. 70 knots.
Now I'm going to give you a random power failure. And all I want you to do is see if you can land back on the runway.
No worries.
Cessna traffic, detonate 006, taxis to be past Cessna.
Alright, there.
Maitland traffic, X-ray, Tango X-ray is Cardio, November, West Maitland 8 for an ND.
Hold the nose up to get back to 70, that's it.
Maitland.
Good.
Maitland traffic, Cessna Pilot Quebec is cloud base, runway 23. Stop Maitland, touch and go Maitland.
Alright.
Can I go out a bit and come back?
You can?
Yeah. Enjoy yourself.
You'll lose a lot this turn though.
That's where I'm going now. Heavy heat, undercarriage. Pipe stabilised.
That's it. Fly level there. Hold it. Wait for the sink. There it is. Good. Slowly raise the stick. Good. Much better. Alright, flaps are up.
Could have been a full stop then, but
We made it quite easily, so it was good. Yeah.
yeah. Full undercarriage, flaps, switches, instruments, temperature,
engine failure now, what would you do?
Over there.
Good. Good thing is lower the nose.
Yep.
Keep the speed up. Good. Alright, there you go. Power back.
Right. Oh, fucking shut yourself, man. Yeah, that's just, would you go away?
Yeah, yep. I'd make that snap decision and just go for it.
Yeah, that's what I would have done, right then. Was that good decision making?
Yeah.
Sweet, man.
The last thing you want to do is hold the nose up and just sit there and thinking, oh, what am I going to do? Where am I going to go?
But that's the thing I didn't do, I didn't roll the nose.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright. Lower nose 70, lower nose 70,
Yeah.
lower nose 70.
Because at this point you're already at 70. So as soon as that power disappears, it washes off very, very quickly.
It's hard to do because, yeah, fuck, it's against your instincts, isn't it?
It is.
Yeah, if that ever happened, mate, you would just have to go boom, boom. I'm doing this shit.
Yeah.
There's nothing you can do about it. Oh, about there.
Cessna traffic, TechNum 8006 is aborted takeoff and leaving the runway by the midfield exit.
That's Cessna. That's Cessna? Yep.
That's it, stop.
Aborted takeoff. Alright, center. I'm going a bit too high, just level out again. Trim. And turn. Undercarriage mixed to our fuel, instrument switches, hatch and harnesses.
All secured. Now this issue is a little bit different. Right? This is probably more common than a complete failure, a partial failure. You lose a cylinder or you lose a baggie. So you still have power, but you've got to treat it like it could go off at any time.
You can still power back. No,
You can still power back, yeah, definitely.
Maitland traffic, Cessna Department, Quebec is glide base, runway 23, touch and go, Maitland.
But your full power limit is 1700, that's it. That's all you've got.
Yeah, no worries. Second stage of flight.
That's it, if you definitely can make it on.
Definitely.
Yeah, easy. Engine failure. Bang. That cylinder finally blew out.
Yep, righto.
Patient, that's it. Arrows, that's it. Board flaps are up.
Maitland traffic, Cessna Romeo November X-ray is entering and lining up runway 23, Maitland traffic.
How do I go then?
Good. Now I'm going to show you another technique here. On if you are high, lose a couple hundred feet real quick. Precisely.
Okay,
Yeah.
cool. That's cool. Undercarriage flaps, switches, instruments and temperatures, presses on the green.
Maitland traffic, Cessna Romeo November X-ray is rolling runway 3, Maitland traffic.
Alright.
descending 1,000 feet, tracking towards Mount Australia. Mainland traffic.
Fuel, instruments, switches, hatches, harnesses, temperature press.
All good.
Are you going to show me or am I going to do it?
I'll go through it with you, but I want your hands on the controls so you feel what I'm doing there as well.
No.
Alright, there's your engine failure. Bang. Yep. Now, hold the nose up at this stage because you don't lose height initially. You want to control this turn.
Main traffic, Cessna Propulsion in Quebec, here's glide base on my 2-3, touch and go Maitland. Last stage.
Okay. Now let's say you're a little high, just your controls, my controls. You want to lose a little bit of height. Rudder, aileron in.
Yes.
And then it looks good again. There you go. You're creating a lot of drag in that manoeuvre.
Yeah.
Alright, handing over is all yours.
Okay, my controls.
Maitland traffic, X-ray Tango X-ray is joining a left downwind for 2-3, Maitland.
That's it, be patient. Good. Alright, don't forget carby heat. Now it feels unnatural because you're cross-controlling. One on one way, over on the other. But because of that extra drag, the speed washes off. You then need to push the nose down to regain speed in that situation. Therefore, you lose a shitload of height real quick.
Okay.
Maitland traffic, X-ray Tango X-ray is standing
on the gauge
for 2-3.
Instruments, temperature pressures.
Good.
Alright. So, left.
Now, I'm going to get the big balance out.
Brakes, undercarriage, mixed blast fuel, instruments, doors, hatches, harnesses, all secure.
Now, treat this like a normal landing at this early stage.
Okay, so, that. 1700, carby heat. First stage of that.
Alright, now this is probably one of the worst case scenarios. You're now at the point where you want to turn base, and it's the furthest point from the field.
Right.
Shit, there's your engine failure. What do you think? Don't have to fly perfect square. If it looks like you're falling short, fly to the airfield. Right. Cut the corner.
Maitland traffic, X-ray Tango X-ray is departed.
I'd really hold on to this stage.
Because you want to be able to get there. That's right. You don't want to fucking hit those trees or nothing.
I only use it when you're absolutely certain.
Maitland traffic, Cessna Propulsion in Quebec is glide base, runway 23, touch and go Maitland.
Alright, now you're looking good. Yep, you'd make that.
Carby heat, undercarriage, prop stabilise.
Good. Don't push forward. That's it. Good. Alright, away we go. Engine failure. Be patient. Good. And hold that control column all the way back. As much weight off it. That's it. That's just all the way coming onto it with heavy braking. Good.
Maitland traffic, Cessna Department of Quebec, boarded takeoff, runway 23, Maitland.
Okay. Well, yeah, let's take the next taxi and cut across.
How long have we done? I was on
26.
Okay. How long have we got to go before you got to get me back?
20 minutes.
Okay. How long to go on there?
Did well. Yep. Yeah, that was good. Good reaction there. Keeping it, resist the urge to really stick the aeroplane back on and stopping it, on the nose wheel and getting it back on the ground. You saw then it can pull up. Even if you overrun the end, it doesn't matter.
What is with the shuttering?
That's just the nose wheel shimmy.
Ah, okay.
So it generally happens when the shimmy damper's on its way out, or there's a heavy weight on the nose and it just reacts like a shopping trolley wheel.
What do you suggest we do now?
I'm going to give you another engine failure, but this time in a weird spot.
Yeah. Which plane said horns? Oh, that'd be good. Maybe you had to go all it. Maitland traffic, Cessna Department over Quebec is lining up, runway 23, Maitland. Oncoming, 21 on the radio. I'm not going to forget my window, it's okay, James.
Oh no.
Hopefully those days of forgetting that's behind me now. Maitland traffic, Cessna Department November Quebec is rolling, runway 23, Maitland. First speeds arrive. Please green. The instruments and temperatures of pressures have been the green. Right, center, left. I'll open it up and land there. I think those clouds would be a highlight of their day, wouldn't it?
It'll definitely wake them up, put it that way.
How's that?
Good.
Copy, 69, Tango X-rays, turning a left, transfer 35, Cessna.
I'm going to go to the 1,000, aren't you? Right, center, left.
There's your engine failure. What are you going for?
I'm going back to the runway.
Good.
Maitland traffic, Cessna Department of Quebec is turning back to runway 205. False landing. Maitland. First stage of flight. Down, please, get down. Stage. Last stage. here.
Good.
Approach. I'm high, but
Alright, side slip. So run one way, over on the other. That's it, push down. That's it, run it. Be patient. Don't push forward. That's it. Good. Good. Stop. Good. Nicely done. Well, there's no one here. You can backtrack the runway if you like. Yeah.
Maitland traffic, Cessna Department of Quebec is backtracking runway 05, Maitland.
That should do us today. I think that was good.
Brilliant.